Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to message yourself on WhatsApp in this year 2023. Okay, so first of all you go to WhatsApp application. So you just need to verify your phone number, and once you verify it, you go to your web browser. So I already type in where to go in my web browser, so you go to wa.me 2 plus sign 63 because that is the area code in my country, and I will add the remaining 10 digits of my number. So this is what's gonna happen now. So you will be routed here. All right. Okay, so all you need to do is just to continue chat. Once you continue chat, then you can chat yourself directly. So that's the easiest way to chat or to message yourself on WhatsApp. Once you click continue to chat. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.